Okay, so let's get going on our third brake light assembly. One of the first things you need to do is remove this arm right here. To remove the arm, use a small pocket screwdriver, come right inside this groove, and pull out this end cap. Once it's out, it's unlocked. Just press up, give it a little yank. At this point, we want to remove this part of the plastic. I'm going to use my trim tool removal tool. It's plastic, so it won't damage anything. There we go. Pops out of there. Awesome. Okay, so we've got 4 of these mounting nuts right here. They're 10 millimeter. And there should be one right here, but it's missing. So if you look up inside the holes here, you're going to see these little white plastic pitons. They come through. They've got these little ears on them that spread out and they hold on. So I'm going to use my long nose pliers here. I'm going to try to squeeze those ears and help it out. There it is. Over to the other side. Do the same thing. Okay, it's moving around pretty good at this point. So for now, I'm just going to put this back on here. I don't need to lock it or anything. I just wanted to make sure it wasn't flopping around. We'll bring this down. Okay, so we should be able to move this around a little bit. Okay, there we go. You just slide it forward a little bit. It's got a little clip up here. So now I'm going to disconnect the wiring. So I'm going to use a small pocket screwdriver, and I'm going to press right here on this little press button. Once I do that, I'm going to just try to take the wiring off of it and give this a little yank. Should pop out. Okay, so we're just going to get the hose off the little hook here, and now I'm going to carefully spin this right around. You could try to disconnect the washer hose if you want to, but I'm not worried about it. Right here and right there are the mounting bolts, and they're 7 millimeter. Let's get this out of here. Let's get this installed. Tighten that up in a second. I'm just going to get the other one started as well. Okay, let's tighten them up. Let's bring this back around. Grab our electrical connector. See if I can feel where it's supposed to go. Right here. Shove it in. Give it a little tug. That feels good. I'm going to test it before I go any further. Okay, so let's get this back on here. Just going to line up my tabs. Okay. A little bonk. Bonk, bonk. So you just want to make sure that your little push tabs are pushed through and spread apart so they're gripping in. Let's start mounting up these mounting nuts here. Yeah, that one's tight. Okay. And as a special treat, we went and grabbed ourselves a nut and washer for over here. Just get this rubber seal back in. Let's pull the arm back off. Grab our trim piece. Get it lined up with approximately where it needs to go. Okay, you get these little tabs right here. Those are going to press in along the side. Beautiful. Grab your arm, lock it in.